Okay, here it is. This is my contraption to haul my airplane to the airport. Anyway, some of this stuff, you just gotta take a chance. Canopy's latched. We're good to go. Alright, we made it to the airport. Just got through the security gate. Head to the Okay guys, this is May the 2nd, and we have got the cozy in the hangar. We've got the canard put on, control surfaces connected, all except for the right wing, and I pinched the radio coaxial, so I got to make that repair before we connect the wing. So looking good. Won't be long, we'll be up flying, guys. Alright, update on the cozy.